How to use switch node in n8n. The switch node enables conditional routing in workflows, allowing different paths based on various criteria. To do that, click on this plus icon and click on this search and search right here for switch. You can see right here that you can route items depending on defined expression or rules. Click on that and you can see right here the mode. You can change between rules or expression. So for example, let's choose rules and you can input right here the actual routing rules, like input right here values from previous nodes. And also if it's equal to something like string, number, date and time, boolean, array, and object. So just choose right here and then input right here the value that you want added. Now you can also head over to settings and then execute this and then go back to your canvas and you should be able to see it right here. So you can see that there's a number right there. You can just add another node after the switch according to the rule. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you.